Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Share Support. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add music directly into your Final Cut Pro library so that your favorite tracks stay saved inside FCP and you don't have to import them again and again for every project. So let's get started. So first of all, let's open Final Cut Pro. So here is an ongoing project of mine. Now suppose I want to add a song in this project, but that song is on my downloaded files, so I have to go over here, then go to download section and I need to search that song. But it is very frustrating because there are so many files in download section. So what we want here is we want our song on FCP music library here itself. Okay, so to do that, let's close this Final Cut Pro and go to download first and choose your song. I want to choose this song Champ. Okay, so just drag this song and place it down there on music app and bang. Now go to Final Cut Pro app and you can see Champ over here. So you really found this video helpful, do hit the like button and subscribe for more editing tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.